Hi guys, how are we all doing? I'm here again to react to a new video because yesterday was fundraising and United States of Biafra had a fundraising yesterday. CS, reacted on what Nigerian government claimed about the, Finnish ambassador who happened to be in Nigeria, and of course, trying to, pretend that Nigerian is a safe haven and everything is all right. In fact, thanking Tinubu for everything, for his governance and everything, blah, 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 blah. And the condition of Finnish citizen, PM, who is being detained in Finland simply because he is fighting for the freedom of Biafra, and Nigerians and the Finnish government are working hand in hand at the moment, looking for a way to silence Biafrans, why they gain more opportunity, probably because of gas and oil, and that had been the issue. So the Biafran chief of staff, NGOZI, have something to say about it, because everybody is like, what is going on? Why are we facing this kind of attack from Finland and all that? That is injustice being meted on PM in the name of keeping him, silencing him just because he's fighting for Biafra. And Finnish government knows that he's doing what he's supposed to do. So everyone is questioning Finland on the detention of PM. Why are you keeping him, all this while in the name of investigating what? Because it is no longer about the investigation, it's about striking deals with federal government of Nigeria. And this is something that every sensible human being, you know, should understand, that it's not about the crime that PM commits, it's about oil and gas. That's just the fact. And COS did not hide her feelings. And I'm not gonna allow this video to roll so that you yourself will hear what she said. But before then, please like this video, comment and tell us what you think about the whole thing. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Your subscription is actually what will help us, to encourage us to do more, to bring this kind of information to you. In case if you have anything to, maybe any question, anything as such, let us know. We don't mind to share it with you as well. But the only thing you need to understand is that we are not here to cause any problem or create scene on the name of bringing information or anything. We actually want to report, the news the way it is, without hiding, without, creating or causing havoc or violence. We are not promoting violence or killing of any type or any criminality. So that's what the channel is all about. And I want you to be part and parcel of this family. Thank you so much as you do so. See you again on the next one. Let's hear from CS. Very, very important.
Coming out. Just be know that Obatobie is coming out and will soon be with us. We are very, very happy on that, and we will just let the process play out. But the Finland government is not the zoo government. Finland is not Kenya. There are differences between what happened to our leader in Kenya and Finland. So Obatobie is coming out. Is gonna be with us as quickly as possible, and then we will take this to the final line. Just Biafrans, just know that we will just continue to do what we are doing. The first thing I wanted to talk about is the mandates, and that's something briefly I wanted to talk about today to Biafrans. Some of you that have listened to the voice, again, I am not going to address anything anybody does not say about me or about United States of Biafra. That is one promise I give. My target is the Fulani terrorist state, Nigeria, the Tinubu terrorist government, Christopher Musa's terrorist government that reintegrates and rehabilitates non-terrorists to come to our Biafra land and kill us. Christopher Musa, the Nigerian defense chief, was saying that since Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has been restricted by the Finnish government, that there has been peace in Biafra land. That is a lie. That is deceitful. Because the killings that happened in Biafra territory, in the Oshu territory, in different parts of Biafra land, in Ebonyi state, between January 1 and now is so much. So Christopher Defense Minister of Nigeria, shame on you. Shame on you to say that since our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has been restricted, there has been peace in Southeast. Who are you deceiving? Who are you lying to? Why are you lying? Why are you saying that? Who are you trying to please? You know you are not saying the truth. You can only say that to some mediocres that do not know what you are doing behind the scene. You know you have been conducting electrical war for the past 2 years, killing Biafrans. You know you've been doing that. You've been recruiting and rehabilitating terrorists in Nigeria. It is fully documented. The facts are there. And you send them to Southeast Nigeria because the indigenous Nigerians no longer want to join the Nigerian military and police. Christopher Musa, you know that. You know that the indigenous Nigerians, thousands of them have retired from the Nigerian military and from the Nigerian police because you are recruiting terrorists into the Nigerian military. And these are terrorists that turn around and kill indigenous Nigerians that are in the military and police. You know that. You know that is a fact. We have the records. You know that United States of Biafra is an independent state now. But you keep talking about one Nigeria, one state. You know that what you are saying is fraudulent. To any international leader that is listening to you, there is nothing like one Nigeria. Nothing. Biafra is an independent state. Christopher Musa and President Tinubu, you are trying to force us into one Nigeria that is already a failed state, where hundreds of organizations and companies have exited Nigeria, where reintegrated terrorists have taken over almost all the part of northern Nigeria, and indigenous Nigerians are paying taxes to the terrorists. Christopher Musa, why are you lying to the world? Why are you lying to the international community? Why are you doing that? Who are you trying to deceive? The world knows that Nigeria has been declared an Islamic state by Europe without our permission. We are fully Christians. Biafrans are Christians. But the Nigerian terrorist state under Christopher Musa has dragged the whole country into IOC, into an Islamic state. And that man comes out to lie to the world that Nigeria is trying to be a democratic state. Finland is helping Nigeria to restore democracy. Finland, Nigeria is a failed state. There is nothing you can do to restore that failed state because the policies and the programs of the Nigerian government has made Nigeria a failed state. Christopher Musa, you know you are lying when you say that our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, is blocking bilateral relationship between Nigeria and Finland. That is a clear false statement. The world is boycotting Nigeria because they know Nigeria is a terrorist state. No sane country will want to enter into any bilateral agreement between them and a country that rehabilitates and reintegrates non-terrorists into their military. That is what Nigeria is doing. The defense chief of Nigeria needs to pass this information to Finland that Nigeria reintegrates non-terrorists into their military and police. So many countries have left Nigeria. So many businesses, international businesses have left Nigeria because they know Nigeria is a failed state. So that lie you are trying to propagate for cheap popularity, claiming that you want to maintain peace in the southeastern part of Nigeria, that is lie and that is fraudulent. You are using that to deceive people that do not know the history of Nigeria. It is our responsibility to continue to present the facts to them. In a country where you have two laws, Sharia in the north, and then the secular law in the south. Christopher Musa, have you told Finland that Christians that are born in the northern part of Nigeria must live by Sharia rule? If not, you send your men to stone them to death. Example is Deborah. Deborah was stoned to death because she is a Christian. Her family are Christian families living in the northern part of Nigeria.